Namaskar children, this is Shraddha ma'am from New Era Global School, welcoming you all to our LKG English class. Children, let us start our class with a prayer. Keep your hands like this. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karmulye tu Govindam, Prabhati Karadarshanam. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmulye tu Govindam, Prabhati Karadarshanam. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmulye tu Govindam, Prabhati Karadarshanam. Prabhati Karadarshanam, Prabhati Karadarshanam. Om. Rub your hands, children. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone. So now let us start our today's classwork and homework, children. But before that we are going to see our sight word flashcard. So are you all ready to start with me the class? Very good. Take out your textbook, pencil, eraser and be ready. So children, what is our today's classwork and homework? It is page number 32 of textbook A. That is your classwork, and page number 33 of your textbook is in your homework. This is your classwork and homework in Nurture Course Book A. Nurture Course Book A. Now, before this video, what had we done, children? We had done page number 31 for your classwork, use sound words. Page number 30 was your homework, use sound words. Since we have now finished all our A, E, I, O, U, all our 5 vowel CVC words. Which are the 5 vowels? A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, U says A. E, I, E, I, O, and U, A. These are our 5 vowels. And then do you remember, children? All the 5 vowels had different clusters. A, E, I, O, U had different clusters which gave us our CVC words. So now our today's classwork is page number 32 in our textbook. Page 32 in textbook. So let us start our classwork, children. This is page number 32 of our classwork. So what will you write here, children? You will first write here CW and today's date. CW and today's date. What is the heading? I can do. After we have done all our A, E, I, O, U, CVC words, now we can say that I can do. I can do all this work on my own. Yes, children? So our heading, second heading says join the letters to make words. Join the letters to make words. What is this picture? You have to recognize it. And then out of the given alphabets, out of the given letters, we have to join the letters and then write it here. Okay. So let us start, children. Be ready with your book, pencil and eraser. Okay. Now let us start, children. Let us see what is the picture. What is the picture, children? The picture is of a kid. I is the sound of which letter, children? I. So what do you hear when I say ka, I, da, ka, I, da. Ka is letter K, I is letter I, D is letter D. So let us write it down here. Ka, I, da, ka, I, da, ka, I, da. Kid, ka, id, kid. This is the picture of a kid. Bacche, kids matlab bacche. You are all kids. You are small kids. Okay, children. Next is the picture of a Next is the picture of a man who has a torch. He's wearing a mask and he has a sack. He has a sack. He's wearing a mask. He has a torch. अंधेरी रातों में कौन निकलता है? चोर, robber. Robber does rob the houses. So it is which sound word? O sound word. So R is letter R, O is letter O, B is letter B. So let us write the word, children. R O B, R O B, R O B, R O B, robber, robber, rob. Next is, what is this, children? We recently have done these cluster words. Yes, this is a sum. Sum. S is letter S, is letter U, is letter M. So let us write here. Sum. Next is the picture of a, what is this, children? Is this a mat? Yes, it is a mat. But when it comes to U sound, it is called rug. So R is letter R, A is letter U, G is letter G. So let us write the word, children. Let us write the word R, A, G, R, A, G, R, A, G, R, A, G, rug. Next is the picture of a bunny, a rabbit. What is it doing, children? How does it hop? The rabbit jumps, and when they jump, it is called hop. Ha is letter H, O is letter O, P is letter P. Hop, H is letter H, O is letter O, P is letter P. Hop, hop. Next is the picture of, these are the peas inside, and what is this outside, children? This is the picture of pod. So how do you say? Pa is letter P, O is letter O, D is letter D. Pa is letter P, O is letter O, D is letter D. Pa o d, pod. So on page number 32, which words did we see, children? I, O and U. I, O and U sound words. Kid, kid. Rob, rob. Sum. Rug, rug. Hop, hop. Pod. So this was our page number 32 classwork. Now let us see what is our homework, children. Our homework is on page number 32 of our, 33 of our textbook. What does it say? I can do. So this is your homework. Write here HW and today's date, children. It is must to write classwork and homework before you begin your classwork and homework, okay? Our heading says, choose the correct spelling. Choose the correct spelling and write it in the space below. And write it in the space below. What does it say? We have to see the pictures. Choose the correct words, children, and write them down. What is the first picture? It's of a wild animal which stays in the jungle. Which animal is this, children? It is a wild animal. It howls and it stays in the jungle. Is it X, fix, or is it ox, fox? Is it fix or is it fox? Yes, this is the picture of fox. So I will write it down here. Ox, 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 fox, fox, fox. Next is the picture of a, let us read it. Bug, 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 bug. Is this a bug, children? No. Okay, let's read that on the word. Dog, 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 dog. Dog. Is this the picture of a dog? Yes. Is this a bug or is this a dog? What is it, children? This is the picture of a dog. Dog is a pet animal which can stay with us in our house. It guards our house and it is the best friend of men. है ना? इंसानों के best friends कौन होते हैं? Dogs. They really have good feelings for us. They take care of us and they are loyal to us. Yes, children. Dog, dog. So let us write it down here. Og, 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 dog, 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 dog. Next is the picture of a, see, I told you, children, when we did our U sound words, children, here I showed you this picture also. What did I say? That when the flower is small when the flower is small, it is a bud. When it grows, it becomes a flower. Bud, flower. This is a bird. Bird, bird. So let us see which is the correct spelling. Dub, or bird. Is it dub or bird? It is bird. So let us write it down here, children. Is letter B, is letter U, is letter D. Bird. First line is done, children. Second, let us see what is this picture, children. I had shown you this picture in the previous class also. Okay, where is the picture? Where is the picture? Yes, it is here. What does this picture show, children? It shows that the pet animal, the pet dog and the boy are hugging. They are hugging each other. So is this the same picture? Let us see the spellings. Hug, 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 or is it hen? Either of these. Which is the correct spelling of this picture, children? Hen or hug? Yes. So we will circle it and write it down here. H is letter H, A is letter U, G is letter G. Hug, 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 hug. Next is, we saw this picture on this page also, children. Same picture here. Let us read. Mud, kid. Which is the correct spelling? Either of two? From the either of this, which is the correct spelling? Mud or kid? Yes, it is kid. आपके जैसे बच्चे होते हैं. K is letter K, E is letter I, D is letter D. Kid, 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 kid. Next is, oh my God, what is this girl doing? Is she happy or sad, children? Is she happy or sad? I know, I think she's sad. And why is she sad? Maybe someone has disturbed her. Yes, she's in the garden where there are flowers and trees, but she is sobbing. Sobbing. Sob. आप भी सॉब करते हो ना जब बहुत ज़्यादा रोते हो ऐसे करते हो ना What is the correct spelling of from these two? Sob, 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 or sod, 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 sod. Is it sob, sob, or sod, sod? Correct. This is the picture of sob, sob. So let us write down. S is letter S, O is letter O, B is letter B. Sob, 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 sob. Next is color red. Yes, but what is this correct spelling? Is this red? No. Let us read. B-odd, B-odd, board, B-odd, board, D-ought, 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 dot. Is this B-odd, board, or D-ought, dot? Correct. This is the spelling of D-ought, dot. It is a red dot. So let us write it down here, children. D-ought, 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 dot, D-ought, dot. Next is the picture of what is this, children? Is this dog, 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 or is it ox, 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 box? Which is the correct spelling from these two? Dog, dog, or ox, box? Correct. Ox, box. Let us write it down here, children. B is letter B. O is letter O. X is letter X. B-ox, B-ox, box, box, B-ox, box. Next is the bowl of soup. And how is the soup, children? Ha-at, 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 hut, or ha-at, 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 hot. Which is the spelling? Ha-at, hut hai ye? Or ha-at, hot? Correct. This is the spelling, or this is the picture of hot. The soup in the bowl is hot. Ha is letter H, O is letter O, T is letter T. Ha-ot, 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 hot. So this brings us to the end of these two pages, children. This is page number 33, which we did just now for your homework. You have to recognize pictures, choose the correct word and write the word. And on page number 32, which was your classwork, what did we do, children? Join the letters. Join the letters to make the word. See the picture. Join the letters and make the word. This was your today's classwork. Page number 32. Today's homework. Page number 33. Now, since we have not seen our flashcards, what are we going to do now? Flashcards, okay? It is time for our sight word flashcards, children. Ready? Let us start. What is the first sight word, children? It is the sight word has. Has. Next is they. Not. She for girls. Came. came, from. Next is who, see, made, are, her is used for girls, just as we use she, her is also used for girls. His is used for boys, just as his is also used for boys. Back, I am back from work, I am back from school, back. This is my pencil, this because ये चीज मेरे नजदीक है. How, that is for used for those things which are far from us. See, the window is far from me, so I say that is a window, okay children, that. And was you said like for the with. Next is have. What are our next words, children? Yeah, here we see our next sight words. Okay, these are our 2-letter sight words, children. Okay, let us see. He is used for girls. It is used for boys, he and him. And am, me, do, and we, at, I, of, to, go, be, as, is. So children, this brings us end to our last activity which was of our IOU sound words, children. And what was your classwork and homework? It is on page number 32 of textbook classwork, 33 of textbook homework. Yes children. So I will see you in the next video, but until then, as usual, be at home, be safe, be good, do your classwork homework on time, keep revising phonics sounds and all the CVC words. Thank you. Namaskar. Have a good day.